Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and thanks for clicking on this video. For today's video, I am bringing to you guys another Zara haul as we are approaching summer months. So I thought to pick up some basic pieces for the summer, and of course I wanted to share them all with you guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please click on that thumbs up button, and if you have not subscribed already, please consider subscribing. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, bye bye. So as I already told you that I mostly picked up some basic pieces. That's what I usually gravitate towards because you can wear them in so many different ways. You can wear them with denim if you want to. You can wear them with shorts, skirts, and the possibilities are really endless. Basic pieces are the way to go for me. So the first one that I picked up is this very basic halter neck tank top. This is in black color, and I think they have 3 other shades available on Zara's website. I think they have a white one, a beige one, and there is also a neon green one that I was really wanting to pick up, but then I was like, okay, let's be real, I'm never gonna wear it, so I skipped on that one. But I picked up the basic black. It's not cropped length, but still it's not very long either. I picked up the size small, and the size range is also nice in this. They have small, medium, large, extra large, and the material on this is 95% cotton and 5% elastane. And as you can see, again, this has ribbing going on all over the top. I have already worn this, and it actually, because of this halter neckline, it really accentuates your shoulders and gives it a very nice look. So I'm gonna show you a few ways how you can style this. Moving on to the favorite piece out of this entire haul is actually this black tube dress that I got. It has got like very thin spaghetti straps, noodle straps, whatever you want to call it, and then it has a square neckline going on. It has a zip starting from here, and it goes all the way down. I'm not sure if you're able to see, but the most fun part about this dress is it has got a slit going on that will be right on your left leg, and it actually really looks very sexy. So I did not have any little black dress or a long black dress in my wardrobe, so I thought really I should have one for the summer months. And yeah, I really liked this one, and when I tried it on, it actually looks very ravishing. Yeah, but I just felt like that the material on this dress could have been a little better. I think with Zara clothes, sometimes the material is a hit or miss. It's like it feels okay. It's not like rough on your skin or anything, but it attracts lint a lot. Like, I mean, I'm looking at my black dress because I washed it and I wanted to start wearing it. That's why it's all wrinkly and stuff. But I can see in person that it has attracted a lot of lint, so that is something to keep in mind. But yeah, it's a nice length. It almost reaches my mid calf, and probably in the try on part you will be able to see much better how this dress looks on. And yeah, I picked up a size small, and then the size range in this dress was pretty amazing. It had extra small, small, medium, large, extra large even. I'm not sure how many sizes are still available, but I will be sure to leave all the links down in the description box, so do make sure to check that out. And let's see how this one looks. Moving on, again I picked up this very basic ribbed cropped white top, and I picked this up in a size small. Again, this is 94% cotton and 6% elastane, and they have like a bunch of different color options available in this one. Like they have the plain solid color ones, and they also have a couple of styles wherein they have a colored sort of piping going on. I will show you. I actually picked up one of those as well, but this is a very basic white ribbed crop top. Again, the ribbing is going on all through. The shoulders are not quite broad, but at the same time this is not halter neck either, but I really like this style. And again, it's a very basic piece in your wardrobe for the summer months. And again, as I told you, I liked this so much, and I know that I would get so much use out of this that I picked up two other colors in this. This is a lime yellow color, and again, when I picked this up, they only had size large left in this one. But again, I know with summer, sometimes I really like to wear breezy clothes, so I thought a size large also would not hurt. So I picked this one, this lime yellow sort of a color in size large. And the other one that I picked up is this one. As I was telling you, that they have a couple of color options wherein they have like two colors going on. I picked up the red and white combination. I think they also have a black and white one, but again, this also I picked up in a size small. But I really like the fit of this. I have already worn this one, but I will show you how to style these three. Moving on, the next two items that I picked up are from the Zara Limitless Contour collection. I know they call it Seamless collection these days as well, and it only comes in a range of two sizes, like extra small to small or medium to large, and you can get away with wearing either one of those sizes because the material on this Limitless Contour collection is very stretchy. So again, I picked up this. Don't mind the wrinkling going on. I actually have worn this, and it was in the laundry. So, but for this video, I had to pick it out of the laundry, and I wanted to show it to you guys. This is a very beautiful bluish grayish color, and it has a very nice square neckline going on. Again, it's cropped length, has that ribbing going on all over, as is the case with any of the Limitless Contour Collection products you buy. So I bought this unique looking color for summer, and I also bought this in the basic black color as well. I haven't worn this one yet, but again, this is I know I'm gonna like it. But I really want to quickly mention one of the cons of these tops. I'm not sure if it is to do with only this particular piece, or I'm going to face the similar issue with the black one as well, but I have worn this particular one a couple of times, and every time I wear it, the shoulders just keep falling off. I'm not sure if it's just with this piece, the one I got, or it's a common flaw across these tops, but something to be mindful of. Like I just have to keep pulling the shoulders up, which bothers me sometimes, but again, at the end of the day, it just looks cool, so I don't mind. So yeah, those are the next two items, and let us see how we can style these in a few different ways. Let's move on to the dresses that I picked up in this Zara haul. So the first one is actually this very nice tie-dye. I love everything tie-dye, so I just want to put that out there. So as soon as I saw this dress on Zara's website, I was like, I need this in my life right now. So it's a very nice midi maxi. Depending on what your height is, it would either be a mid axi or a maxi dress. But for me, it sits right at my knee. As you can see, the neckline on this is round, and even in the back, it has got like really deep, nice round neck going on. And I know these things are for you to hang your dresses so that they don't keep falling off of the hangers, but for me, this served a very different purpose. Again, on this dress, I found I picked up a size medium, and they had small, medium, large in this. I thought I should not go with small, because sometimes with these, as you can see, this has like ribbing going all over. So I thought I wanted it to be very breezy and comfortable for the summer months. So I picked up a size medium. But again, I noticed the same thing. The shoulders keep falling off. So these strings that they provide, I just kind of, when I wear the dress, I kind of tie it in the back, and it actually works really well in preventing the shoulders from falling off. So maybe a hack, you want to try it the next time you have an issue with any of your dresses or spaghettis or tops that have got this string attached to them. You can always try to tie it in the back, and that's how your shoulders won't keep sliding off. So yeah, this is a very nice looking, very soft material, and let's see how this looks on. So the next item that I picked up is again a dress, and you can call it a midi slash maxi dress depending on your height. It is this beautiful looking lavender dress. Unfortunately, this color is no longer available on Zara's website, but they have a bunch of different colors available, and they even have a navy and white striped pattern in this as well, which I really wanted to buy, but then I thought I think I don't need any more dresses, so I stopped myself and just picked up this one solid color lavender dress. Again, this is sleeveless, and it has got like thin straps, which are not spaghetti straps, but at the same time they are not like very broad. So it has got a very it's not fully round, but at the same time it's not square either. So that neckline actually looks very nice. And again, this is the back, same thing, and it has got a slit in the back, if you can see. So yeah, this is a slit right here, and yeah, it's a beautiful color, very appropriate for the summer months. And let's see how we can style this. Moving on to the next dress that I picked up, it is this almost animal patterned khaki green sort of a color. It has got like full sleeves, but the material on this is chiffon. As you can see, it's like very thin and very transparent, as you can figure out. It has got like beautiful details going on. It has got ruffles, and then if you move further down, it has got an elasticized waist, and it has got a very Barbie doll like pattern to it. As you can see, like there are ruffles going all through the dress. It's almost a mini dress for the summers, but I have actually worn it with leggings as well, and it looks absolutely gorgeous with that too. But again, because I picked this up for the summer months, I wouldn't be wearing it with leggings, but it's a nice length. It's neither too short, but yes, if you are 5'8", 5'9", I think this will be way too short, but again, it's personal preference. If you like shorter mini dresses, then yeah, this would be something for you. And the other very good thing about this is, because this is chiffon material, and as you can see, this is very transparent. They have not put any underlining on the chest part, but they have actually provided a lining on the bottom part, like from the elasticized waist down to the full length of the dress. They have this black colored underlining going on, so that it is no longer transparent, and you need not worry about wearing any sort of biker shorts with it. So I thought that was a much thought out detail, and I really appreciate Zara for thinking about all those minor details as well. So let's see how you can style this in a few different ways. enjoyed this haul, and do let me know in the comment section below if you have a favorite piece in this entire haul, or if you ended up picking any of the pieces I showed in this haul. I would be so happy to know that. And if you have any questions about sizing or anything, I will be leaving all the details in the description box. But if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments section below, and I will reply to them for sure. So yeah, that's all I had for today's video, and until we talk again in my next video, please stay safe, take care, and I love you all. Bye bye.